Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to update the ROBOROCK Qrevo Edge firmware. At first you need to keep your vacuum dock, so tap dock and return to dock. Once it's in the dock, tap this gear icon, scroll down, and now you need to remember that this dock has to be plugged in to the power. Scroll down here to the Firmware Updates. As you can see here, we have the update, so just tap update now, and now we're going to just wait until the update is done. I will pause this video and show you how this looks like after. Now, as you can see, we have the status of installing over here, and now it may take 5 to 10 minutes. It took me a while because I had my internet connection cut, so yeah, but now I'm back. Now we have our firmware update complete, and now instead of installing, we have here up to date. That's how it works. Goodbye!